Today, let's cover the Peloton App 101. When you open your Peloton app, you'll see categories of classes listed. There's tons of different categories of classes to choose from. Let's start by checking out the stretching category. In any given category, there's going to be thousands of classes to choose from. Tap the filter button at the bottom. From here, you can apply filters based on classes that you have or have not taken, the length of class, class type, instructor, and more. This will really help you narrow down all of the classes listed so you can find exactly what you're looking for. Let's select a class and see some more options. On the right, you'll see a bookmark icon. Tap this to bookmark the class. This is a great way to save classes that you might want to come back to, but you don't want to take at the moment. If you tap the little squares icon with the plus sign in the middle, that'll add the class to your stack. When you create a stack, it's like creating a short playlist of your workout videos. The idea is that you could plan a couple different workout videos and then start your workout, and the videos will play for you one after another. Another cool feature in the app is that you can schedule your workout. This is one of my favorite features of the app. Tap the schedule button and then select the date and time that you want to do that specific workout. Sometimes I use the schedule feature to plan out my workouts for the entire week. This feature is also helpful if you're trying to coordinate and plan to do the same workout at the same time with a friend. To find classes that you previously bookmarked, scroll all the way to the bottom of the class categories, then tap on Bookmarked. Here you'll see the whole list of all different types of classes you've bookmarked in the past. Let's talk about programs. If you go to the programs in your Peloton app, you'll see a variety of program options. I love programs because it takes all the decision making and thought out of what workouts to do on what days. You can pick a program depending on what your goal is and what type of workouts you like to do. I highly recommend the Discover Your Power Zones workout program if you have the Peloton bike. This program, if you join it, will give you a calendar telling you exactly what workouts to do on exactly what days, and it'll build your skill and increase in difficulty and class length as you go through the program. Power Zone rides are my favorite rides on the Peloton bike. I love them because rather than following the instructor's speed and resistance, you follow within your own zone. Now, zones are calculated based on your customized fitness levels, and it's really cool how it works. If you want to learn more about it, I suggest that you take one of the Power Zone classes or join this Power Zone program to really learn how the Power Zones work and to get exposed to some really great Power Zone classes. Let's take a look at the collections section of the app. Here you'll see classes organized by all kinds of different collections. Some of these are based on a type of workout, such as Pilates, dance, boxing. Others are fun themes like Christmas theme or holiday. And here you can even see a family collection. These are actually super fun workouts that you can do with kids of all ages. Now let's check out the schedule portion of the app. Here you can look at live and encore classes scheduled, and you can browse the scheduled classes by category. So here I tapped on cycling, and I can scroll down and see classes scheduled out for sometimes about a week at a time. You can tap on a class and then select join, or you could just tap on the little circle to the right of the class and join that way. Once you've joined a class, they will show up under your schedule. If you tap on your schedule on the top right of the app, you'll see any live classes that you've signed up for, as well as any classes that you've scheduled for yourself to do from the class section of the app. Tap on the star on the bottom left of the Peloton app to view featured classes. I love this part of the app because it gives you personalized, recommended classes that you may be interested in, based on classes you've taken in the past and based on instructors that you repeatedly take classes from. Tap on the trophy to go to the Challenges section of the Peloton app. Here you can swipe through different challenges that are currently going on. These often change every month, although there is an annual challenge as well. You can join a challenge from here, and you can view what other friends of yours are currently in that challenge. Challenges are a fun way to motivate yourself to try different classes or to get lots of workouts in throughout the month. As you complete challenges, you'll earn fun achievement badges. From the profile section, you can see your personal stats, your workout history over the last month, as well as recent achievements. If you tap workouts up top, you'll see all of your workout history showing the workouts you've done and when you did them. From the Achievement tab up top, you can see all of the achievements you've earned. One really cool thing Peloton does is the first time you hit 100 workouts in any one category, you earn a Century Club shirt from Peloton for free. So once you hit 100 in your first category, regardless of what category that is, watch your email for an email from Peloton with instructions about how to claim your free Peloton shirt. To search for your friends on Peloton, tap the More button from your profile and then go to Find Members. There you can type in their information to search for and find friends. Let's talk more about classes. Once you've opened a class, you can scroll down to read more about the class, and you can even look at the playlist. Peloton has a great reputation for putting together great workout playlists, so you can view all of the songs in that particular class as well as the class plan. It gives you a nice preview of what that class includes. You can share classes with friends by tapping the icon in the top right corner and then tapping Share Class. You might want to do this if you took a class you love and you want to recommend it, or if you're hoping to take a class together. Once you tap Share Class, you'll have options to share it in all kinds of different ways. Let's send this one by text. When you click Messages, it'll just open up your regular messaging app and you can send it like you would send any other text. Let's explore some of the app features when you're actually taking a class. So let's pretend we're going to take this post-run stretch. Once you press Start, the class will start playing right away.
Hello Peloton, welcome.
You can tap right on the video to pause your video at any time. You can also end your video from here if you'd like to. Tap on the second icon that looks like controls to customize your volume controls. Here you can change the setting so that the audio has more music or more instructor voice to it. The fourth icon is the cast icon. Here you can tap AirPlay and cast your video to a TV in your home so that you can follow the workout from a TV in your home. Once the workout started, you'll see a list of other members taking the same class at the same time as you. To the right of their name is a hand icon. Tap that to give them a high five. Thanks so much for watching. If you learned something useful, please hit like. I invite you to subscribe for more videos on how to live life better.